Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set default data SIM on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the settings application on your Samsung Galaxy A54. Scroll down, locate and click on connections. Once you selected connections, scroll down the page. Go ahead and click on SIM manager. Once you selected SIM manager, then you should see your two SIMs here. Now scroll down to where you see mobile data and click on it. Now you should see the two SIMs you have here. To set a default data SIM, all you need to do is select the SIM you want to use. Now you should see this particular mobile SIM will be used for mobile data. Now whenever you go ahead and turn on mobile data on your Samsung Galaxy A54, this is going to use your default mobile data SIM. However, if you want to typically change the SIM from your default to available SIM with data, just go ahead and turn on data switching and then you're good. So that's exactly how to set default data SIM on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.